Water container is equipped with one water inlet and one easy-to-use water faucet. The larger water inlet enables quick filling of the tank, ensuring you are always adequately hydrated. It is perfect for individuals or groups during camping trips. Bags are most convenient method of garbage disposal to maintain cleanliness and hygiene. Container features smooth rolling wheels and convenient handles for easy movement, perfect for under-desk or cabinet storage. Spacious interior accommodates numerous books, files, and supplies with efficient organization for study rooms and offices. It's strong and durable. Arc-shaped opening provides quick and ergonomic retrieval of stored items without the need to remove the entire container, suitable for books, school supplies, bags, and other items. Ice box. The cooler's lid doubles as a sturdy tray, perfect for snacks and drinks on the go, catering to those looking for an ice cube box with chiller ice box functionality. Bottle opener. Made of food-grade stainless steel with a handle inlaid with natural wood, the solid wood handle makes the bottle opener more beautiful. Knife. Made of stainless steel, with excellent sharpness and long-lasting durability, allowing for precise and easy slicing. This multipurpose outdoor portable fruit knife features a compact size and lightweight structure, making it easy to carry in a backpack or pocket. Its accompanying protective cover ensures safe storage and transportation, making it perfect for camping, picnicking, and snacking outdoors. Airtight bag sealer. Designed to be stored nice and neatly in drawers without sacrificing on drawer space. Take them on a road trip to seal those snacks without worrying about it spilling all over. Folding stools. Use in home office, garden, school, fishing, traveling, camping, and other outdoor activities. Great and ideal for kids, adults, seniors. Folded up to 10-inch to 18-inch, light white material, easy to carry. Rolling soap box. Features of the soap box is the rubber roller that is designed to create foam with minimal effort. Light. The small keychain flashlight have 3 lighting modes, with SOS function, and square design. The LEP flashlight top is a climbing buckle design, can be hung in any position you want to, and with a bottle opener function to help you open a variety of metal lids in the field. The back is 180 degrees rotatable bracket. The cob light put on the ground can also be used steadily. It's portable and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle. Knife. Made of reliable long-lasting stainless steel with a durable black oxidation finish and aluminum handle, great for hiking, backpacking, and other emergencies or around the house use.